Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Strava offline. To use Strava offline, you can still record your activities without an internet connection. Simply enable GPS and start your run, ride, or walk, even in airplane mode. And Strava will log your route, distance, and other stats. Once you reconnect, the app will automatically sync your activity to your profile. You can also view maps and routes offline, but this need to be loaded in advance while online. Preloading your maps ensures you can navigate without mobile data, and using airplane mode can help avoid connectivity glitches. For longer adventures, make sure your device has enough battery. Your GPS tracking can drain it faster. After finishing your activity, open the Strava app while online to trigger synchronization, ensuring all your track data uploads correctly. With the steps, Strava remains fully functional even when you're off the grid. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.